Hey everyone, hope everyone had a good holiday. I know I did. I got the new Kyosho Mp10 TK2. So let's go unbox this. Alright, so the new car comes in a smaller box, just like the e-buggy. Has some nice box art. Kanai, and shows all the new stuff, most of it. So we got a new body, new spur gear, internal gears, newer shocks. Comes with the longer shocks and shock towers. So first thing you get is a manual and a little, I guess, I don't really know what to call it, another instruction piece, wheels. So this bag, it's a 10th bag, but it comes with red wheel nuts, the air filter, servo horns, clutch stuff, wheel nut, Kyosho on it. You have your, looks like rear hubs, CVDs, chassis braces, or universals, I mean. Radio tray, so standard stuff. Longer shocks. Got the 58s for the rear and the 50s for the front. Side guards comes with Velcro here on the sides. Diffs. Body. So this body is pretty much, it's the MP10 and the MP10E body combined. So looks pretty good. Wing, center diff, pretty much standard stuff. Got rear A-arms, blocks, wing stay, shock tower, front arms, shock towers, CVDs, hubs. Got steering parts, and I got the chassis. So that's pretty much it. So let's go compare the parts from the Mp10 to the Mp10 TK2. So here are the parts that are different between the Mp10 to the Mp10 TK2. So definitely the bodies are different, probably the main thing everybody will notice. And the next thing is that the Mp10 came with shorter towers compared to the TK2. The longer towers help the car in the bumps, jump, car's just a lot better with them. So with longer towers, you have longer shocks. You also have longer springs. One thing about these shocks is they don't have a bleeder hole, or screw hole, I mean, compared to the Mp10. The TK2 comes with the bladder. The Mp10 came with an emulsion style bladder. So the next thing is the gearing. You have a 13 tooth ring gear or pinion and a 43 ring gear, a 46 spur. The Mp10 TK2 comes with a 4212 ring and pinion and a 45 spur gear. I noticed when I was running the 4212 with the Mp10, it gave the car more bottom end. Also, the Mp10 TK2, the new hub, has a screw hole here. It still has the one down here for the CVD. This is just another safety one right there. So all in all, this just comes with the stuff that a lot of people are putting on the Mp10. Just now comes with the kit. You have a new body and new hubs. So let's build this. Alright, so I got the car complete. Took some time, but a couple things I noticed that are different on this car compared to the MP10 is that it comes with the stronger front arms, the heavy duty. The difference between that and the stock ones is this cross right here. This bar is not on the MP10. It just has a straight line right here. So that makes the arms stiffer, stronger. And there's these little tabs right here. And what that does is makes it so the shock tower is stronger, makes the bulkhead stronger, because it doesn't allow the shock tower to break off forward. It slides into place, and then these two screws and the two that help tighten it pushes against the shock tower now, helps it stay in place more. So now I just got to set all my endpoints. So that concludes the build. I'd like to thank Kyosho for getting me the car early. And, I know a lot of people are probably going to ask me, is the car worth getting compared to the old MP10? And if I was to take this car, which is completely stock, only thing I did is put a titanium screw kit on it. I just like the way the car looks with it. And you took a stock MP10 compared to the MP10 TK2, there's a massive difference. Shock towers help a lot. The gears help a lot. And then also you have the new front and rear bulkheads that have the little tabs on them. Help keep the shock towers on, slide into place, makes the car stronger, more durable. Comes with the heavy-duty front arms as well. So I'd like to thank again Kyosho, Proline, A-Main, ProTech, Avid, Stick-It One, and Ogio for continuing through this COVID stuff. And see you guys later. All right, now I get to go finish.